I'm telling you, Jimmy, and I'll tell you right now. America glorifies the idea that they helped out in WW2, but we didn't do a goddamn thing. Just like we didn't do a goddamn thing in WW1 neither. WW1 we didn't go in until 1917, right at the ass end of the goddamn war. Hell, we barely had anything to do with the Nazis either. The Russians had the most work to do with that. Them and the goddamn French. A lot of people say that the French, the only flag they know is the white flag of surrender, but I tell you what, they've done a hell of a lot more than we've ever done. But I'm going to tell you right now, that the United States is giving funding, goddammit, to Germany to kidnap and do genetic testing on Chinese citizens that are sold to them through the black market. But I'll go more into that later. You know how Sweden is doing that recycling program where they're actually having to buy and sell recyclables to be able to power themselves. I'll tell you why they need so goddamn much. It's because it's easy access, all these plastics, all these other materials, to make cheap yet effective military grade weapons. But all you want to talk about how us humans are just an advanced form of jellyfish, and how our central nervous system looks like a jellyfish, and how we're just a jellyfish hallucinating our existence. You're a fool. You're a fool.